Hello, welcome to Health Advice TV. Today, we will discuss about detox and fat-burning drink. Here's a simple yet effective detox and fat-burning drink you can try. Lemon Ginger Detox Drink. Take 1 cup of warm water, then add 1/2 lemon, juiced, and add 1/2 inch piece of fresh grated ginger. Now warm up a cup of water, not too hot, just lukewarm. Add the lemon juice and grated ginger. Mix well and enjoy. For quick results, drink it daily in the morning or after dinner. You can take it twice a day. Benefits. Lemon. It's rich in vitamin C, boosts immunity, and supports digestion. Ginger. Anti-inflammatory, boosts metabolism, and aids digestion. Boosts immunity. Lemon is high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune function. Ginger has antimicrobial properties that can help protect against infections. Digestion. Ginger can relieve nausea and help digestion, while lemon stimulates bile production, which is essential for digesting fats. Metabolism. Both lemon and ginger may help increase metabolic rate, potentially aiding in weight management and fat loss when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Detoxifies the liver. Lemon helps stimulate liver function, promoting the elimination of toxins. Ginger can also aid liver health by reducing inflammation. Reduces inflammation. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can alleviate joint pain and other inflammatory conditions. Improves skin health. Lemon's vitamin C and antioxidants help with collagen production, which can lead to clearer, healthier skin. Ginger also has antioxidants that help protect against skin aging. Enhances hydration. Lemon in water encourages people to drink more, which helps keep you hydrated, supporting all body systems. This detox drink is best enjoyed fresh in the morning for a refreshing, health-boosting start to your day. But remember, pair it with a balanced diet and exercise for best fat-burning effects. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time on Health Advice TV.